Well, hello everyone, it's Roofy Alday, and in this video we get to go and share the information is the Clovis housing market of March of 2025, and I get to address three top questions asked of me. How much is a home in Clovis, California now cost as of March 2025? Is it a seller's or buyer's market? And number three, how long does it take to sell a home in Clovis, California in March of 2025? Again, if you are interested in relocating, moving to Clovis, California, please do reach out to us, text us, email us, give us a call. Whatever you feel comfortable in reaching out. We get calls every day of people wanting to move to Clovis, California, especially in the Bay Area. 30% are now migrating from the Bay Area or Los Angeles to Clovis, California. So we love it. We love the area and would love to share the information with you. We have your back. Get into it. The market update and housing market update for Clovis, California for March of 2025. Number one, how much is a home cost in Clovis, California as of March 2025? When we compare it to March 2024, we have an increase to now the median home, according to Redfin, at $510,000. What does that look like? Well, compared to March 2024, despite the high interest rate, despite all the inflationary economic challenges we have, and despite issues with insurance, Clovis, California has actually increased year to date by 3.5% to 4%. Despite all these economic challenges, it still has increased in equity of 3.5% to 4%. Number two question. Is it a seller's or buyer's market in Clovis, California? It remains as the time of this video, March of 2025, it remains a seller's market. However, we've noticed a market shift. Homes are now remaining a little bit longer in the Clovis market. And finally, number three, how long does it take to sell a home in Clovis, California? Compared to year-to-date, March of 2024 to March of 2025, as I mentioned, we've actually had an increase on days on market. 30 days to sell a home in Clovis on average. And what does that environment look like? Well, because of the price points of $510,000, we see that the FHA loan limits ideal in the Central Valley, especially first-time home buyers. The cap is at about $525,000. What does that mean? A lot of opportunities for first-time home buyers to finally get a home, especially in the state of California. What does that what does that entail? Well, that entails buyers now having a little bit more choice, and that sellers a little bit more ability toward even closing costs because of the high interest rates, the high inflation rates, as well as insurance issues. They being the sellers are more amenable to entertain closing costs to help support these particular FHA buyers. That FHA buyer is credit rich and cash poor and will offer full price, and that's what we see. We see full price offers, yet there's a little window. I can't guarantee it's going to be here forever, that there's an opportunity to negotiate with the seller as these homes are on the market a little bit longer and address and navigate or negotiate closing costs for the buyer. So if any of this piques your interest, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us support our commitment to provide you weekly updates of this community, and we love it, and that we want you to feel that we have your back should you call us, text us, email us, whatever you feel comfortable. So again, this is Roofy Alday here in Clovis, California. Welcome to our great community. God bless.